This is my first time in Hawaii, so I don't know what to expect, but the luau was amazing. It's like a Hawaiian tradition where you just eat, drink, and enjoy the cultures. Right here, I'm just getting some pina coladas. It was thirst quenching for the weather. The view was really cute, and I loved the food. I think just simple food, but it's really yummy. And all the performance was really cool. There was like fire dancing, and that was like the last thing we did for the night. We just went home after that. The next morning, we went to get breakfast at this place called Sweet E Cafe. The wait was a bit long, but let me tell you, the food is worth it. They have fried rice for breakfast. Like, are you kidding? So yummy. And I love that French toast. This was in the ABC store. I love like Hello Kitty, so you know I can't just pass on this. I got two, one little tan one, and I got like a pineapple one too, as you can see right here. Baby, how do you burn popcorn? $10. Oh my god, we burned the popcorn, the $10 popcorn.
I'm pissed.
It's okay, we can get like regular popcorn and mix it.
I swear we have popcorn.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more, I don't know.
Hello, I'm with my boyfriend. We're gonna go to the beach. What beach are we going to? Hala Moana. Here it is. And we're gonna get breakfast first. We're gonna get McDonald's, and maybe I'm gonna try the food that only McDonald's in Hawaii has.
Right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right around the rough play, right around them talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that I got you to know. But never fall out of love. You. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life. You, I'm trusting you, babe. I want this, I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest at night. I want that, I want that.
went to a flea market in Honolulu and we decided to pick up some coconut juice because I'm obsessed with them. And oh my god, they was so bad. It was not good at all, and they charged like $12. We got two and they was both bad. But the one good thing about the flea market was the food. I got this food from like the only food truck there, and it's so amazing food. It's like so cheap too.
Soft shell crab.
It's octopus, and then what? This is the eggplant, huh?
Yeah.
And shop.
Right?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Then potatoes. This is what, baby? Oh, yams.
Yams.
Then shrimps, and what's that?
Beef. Bunch of this. They also have pencil here.
Is that one with eggs?
Eggs? Deluxe. The one in the back.
They have roses and late in the 7-Eleven here too. With color.
Right here.
Right there?
Yeah.
Sweat resisting?
Yeah.
Or this one? 10-hour.
Just that one, yeah.
Yeah, it look the same. Wait. Scarecrow, tick, fly, gnat, and triggers.
I think just mosquitoes is our problem.
No, there's a lot of bugs, baby. It's crazy.
Okay, just
Yeah.
grab that one then.
Okay, I get this one.
Yeah, we should eat one now and then eat one later.
Want to share something over here? Oh.
No. Share that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Will you like this? Or like a savory one? Turkey and ham?
The egg salad. Get some protein.
What if we get both?
No, that's too much.
Fine, we'll get egg salad.
Try the speed, that's why.
Okay. So pretty. Oh my god. So smoky too. I wonder if it's gonna be cold.
No. Maybe.
So we are here, but it's raining.
This is gonna be beautiful, baby.
Because me, I can't use my camera. Okay, so halfway through the trails, the sole of his shoes fell off and we had to walk back to grab a different pair of shoes. This was a cute little chicken. We came through here the first time and I got mosquito bite on my lip and it was really numb somehow, but it's okay. We gonna make it back through the trails. And when we were coming back, we saw this. There was like so much flower. It was just like a little movie. And I love all these mushrooms. I just love to look at mushroom. It's just so disgusting. Oh, look at this mushroom too. This looks like one type of like expensive mushroom that, but you know, do not eat wild mushrooms. And this is the end. As you can see, the waterfall's right there, and it felt so pretty. The dirt got all over my legs, guys. Recommend it, this one 100%.
We're getting breakfast and that is the breaking, I know, Portuguese sausage with country bread, and that's the green salad. And I got like what is this, French toast and creme brulee bananas chocolate. Fluffy. Really good.
Coffee yet?
Like finished.
Yeah. Work. Watch it to me, I be work. See me do me dirt. Cause I'm made by that work. When you walk a line. In the cafe, try me, I deserve it. Nothing to have you lurking. Yeah. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration.
5 days went by so fast, and this was my last day in Hawaii. We went to this very beautiful beach, and we had to like walk down like rock stair to get to this place, but it was worth it. So pretty. And the water just so clear, and you can even see like some turtle too. Like, how cool is that? So I believe that this is a Hawaiian version of the donut. We tried this and they don't really taste that good, but I'm glad to be able to try it. And this cute little bird was there. So adorable. I hope you have fun watching this vlog, and you should definitely try out some restaurant that I have throughout the video. See you next time.